For this system of equations, one of our equations is already in slope-intercept form. Now we could put this in slope-intercept form and then set them equal to each other, but it's definitely more efficient to realize that this has already been solved for y. So we can substitute this in place of y in our other equation. So we have 4x minus 8 times negative 1x minus 5 equals 4. So this, we already have been told it's equal to y, so I just plugged it in. Now let's watch our signs here because we're subtracting 8 sets of these parentheses, which is the same as distributing a negative 8. So negative 8 times negative 1x is going to give us plus 8x. Negative 8 times a negative 5, or remember it's like subtracting 8 negative 5, so that's either way going to give us plus 40 equals 4. Now we can simplify and get 12x plus 40 equals 4. Solving our two-step. Don't get careless here. Make sure you show all of your steps. We've got nothing but time here, everyone. Divide both sides by 12. And we have x equals negative 3. Now, because this is already in slope-intercept form, this is going to be pretty easy to solve for y. So we put negative 3 in place of x. So I'm going to come up here, so y equals negative 1 times negative 3 minus 5. So y equals, this is a positive 4 minus 5, and y equals negative 1. Writing our answer as an ordered pair, negative 3, negative 1. And that is our solution. Now remember, one thing I've not been showing in my videos is the check. So what you really should do is put negative 3 in place of x and put negative 1 in place of y and check both equations. If it doesn't work in both equations, it means you've made an error somewhere and you should go back and check it out.